Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. And today I'm discussing a crucial tool for keeping everything running on the shop floor, and that's the manufacturing traveler. So in manufacturing, keeping track of production processes is really important for efficiency, quality control, and traceability. And that's where the manufacturing traveler comes in, because it's a document that follows a product through every stage of production, making sure that every step is done right and providing valuable information about that product's journey through the factory. And today, with technology advancing, we have digital manufacturing execution systems that can make managing these travelers even easier. But to begin with, let's start by talking about how to create a manufacturing traveler. So first we need to define the essential information that needs to go into a traveler. And to begin with, it's just by identifying the product by its batch number or serial number. Then you have to list all of the processes or manufacturing operations required, and then specify the bill of materials and all of the components that are needed at each stage of the manufacturing process. And then finally, don't forget to document any quality control, checkpoints, and any criteria for the acceptance of those. And then next we need to establish clear work instructions, and they should provide detailed instructions for each step of the manufacturing process. And you should go about making sure that these instructions are easy to understand to minimize any errors. And if necessary, you can include diagrams or reference documents to help your operators comprehend these instructions. And next, there needs to be a way to track the product as it goes through the process. And using barcodes or QR codes to track the product at each stage is really helpful. And digital signatures or timestamp to record it through each stage works great. And then finally, we need a way to ensure compliance and traceability. So you need to verify that all regulatory and compliance information is included in the traveler. And then in the traveler itself, you need to maintain a history of version control and approvals for it. And then finally, make sure that any documentation created from the traveler is easily retrievable afterwards. So finally, let's look at digitizing them, because implementing a digital manufacturing system can make it much easier to digitize a traveler, because those systems will automatically update and store traveler data in real time. And then by doing this, you can use the system's capabilities for better visibility and analytics on your production processes. So finally, manufacturing travelers are vital for maintaining quality and control in the production process. And by documenting each step and ensuring traceability, manufacturers can reduce errors, improve efficiency, and meet their regulatory requirements. And now you can do this on paper, but by integrating a digital manufacturing system, it can take things to the next level, because it gives real-time updates, better visibility, and can streamline your production operations. As manufacturing continues to evolve, adopting digital solutions for travelers will be key to staying competitive and maintaining those high standards of quality. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article over on our blog, and there you'll find more insights and valuable content to fuel your digital transformation. Take care. Thanks a lot.